This is Nick at the allotment, early morning. There he is, and he wants to show us the tomato crop. Tell us about that.
Here they are. These are the tomatoes that Sue gave me as tomato plants, and now it's a marvelous crop. Look.
There are hundreds of them. Let me go close and get, and all the way down there.
Yes.
Fantastic.
We've got plenty of tomatoes, I can assure you of that.
Tomatoes and cucumber on Nick's salad from the garden. Look at that bounty.
I've grown tomatoes, which I took from Sweet Acorns and put in here as just a chance they might grow, and look at them. Look how tall they've grown now. And also there's some fruit coming on them already.
And they're the cucumbers.
This is cucumber, which we have.
And more beans.
Millions of cucumbers.
This patch of green, Nick has his courgettes, which grow to enormous sizes. Here's one. I can see a little one here by the flower.
I picked most of the big ones yesterday.
He's picked most of the big ones, but he brings me home these little ones. You can see there.
Yeah.
The beautiful flower there.
Yes.
Fantastic.
These courgettes grew so big so fast, we had to give them away to people passing by on the pavement.
Here's our first butternut. It'll probably only just be ready before we go in October. But it's the first of this huge, big, giant crop, greenery here. One of Nick's neighbours in the allotment has grown this apple tree. Look at the apples. And she's got quite a setup here with a greenhouse. You can see, Nick, what happens here while there's no seeds?
Well, I put seeds in, but because of this very dry summer, nothing came up.
So you have...
This has happened on many occasions this year.
We've got rows with nothing in, but then next to them the other things are flourishing.
Others that like the soil, they've flourished because I watered it every day. Along the side of the allotment, it was completely overgrown with singing nettles and grass, and I've put it all here on this huge pile here.
And then made a compost heap over there. So every time Nick goes to the horse farm, he collects some of the free manure, and he's made this little compost heap.
Compost heap here. Also in these bags here, they're also full of compost.
Okay, and that results in this beautiful garden of lush veggies.
These are going to be the butternut, but they're only just coming into flower. I've got here a row of green beans, or we call them French beans in England. But I have several rows of these, and they're prolific this year.
Fantastic. Okay, I'm walking with you, Nick.
Okay. Along here we have some rhubarb, and then that direction we have some butternut. We have more green beans, then we have cucumber, tomato plants, more spinach over there as well.
Amazing.
The red bloom, they're what we call runner beans. They fell down in the wind, so I've had to prop them up. But I'm getting a nice crop of those every other day. I've got potato plants, potatoes rather, growing here, as you may be able to see.
Three cheers for our champion gardener.